Hi, my name is Angela Cox, and welcome to sixth grade Family and Consumer Science. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to be with you this evening. In, in Family and Consumer Science, we do a lot of really fun activities. So in sixth grade, we cover two basic units of study. The first is financial basics. The second is food and nutrition. Under financial basics, we talk about values, wants, and needs, goal setting, decision making, especially financial decision making and financial goal setting. We talk about savings accounts, and we talk about the basics of credit, what it is, and how it works. Then we move over to food and nutrition. We talk about kitchen safety so that your child will learn how to work safely in the kitchen without hurting themselves. Kitchen sanitation so that the food that your child cooks will not make anyone sick. Kitchen equipment, what the equipment in the kitchen is and what it does. We talk about measuring, because if you can't measure, you can't bake. Nutrition, making healthy food choices, and meal preparation. In this class, your child will need their school-issued computer every single day. All of our activities will utilize the school laptop. They will also need some kind of notebook or something to hold their handouts in. We do use paper and pencil quite a bit, and they need something to hold those things. And they will need paper, just loose leaf paper, and a pencil, something to write with. All of other materials and supplies will be provided for your child. A common question that I get from parents is about checking grades. In my class, Schoology and Hack together will be used to calculate a child's grade. If you're looking in Hack and you see an X, that means that your child was excused from the activity. Most likely, your child was absent, and it's something that can't really make up at home. If you ever see a zero in Hack, if you ever see a zero in the grade book in Family and Consumer Science, that means that that is a missing assignment, right? If the assignment is missing, they can turn it in up until the very last day of the course, right? If you look in Schoology, you'll see that little orange hexagon that says missing. But if you see a zero in Hack, the conversation that you should be having with your child is, why didn't you turn that in? Or maybe they did it and just forgot to turn it in. So if it's a zero, it can be made up. If it's blank in Hack, if you see an assignment but no grade, that means that I haven't finished entering the grades yet, right? If it's blank in Schoology though, that means that your child didn't do it, because in Schoology, you'll see a little icon right next to the assignment that says if they've turned it in. Once a grade can no longer be made up, right, it's too late, they can't do it anymore, that zero will turn into a 50%. A 50% is the minimum score for any assignment in Family and Consumer Science. If you have any questions about grading, please feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Now, if you need to contact me for any reason, the easiest way to get in touch with me is to email me. If you email me and just say, hey, can you give me a call? I'll be happy to do that as soon as I get a chance. If you would prefer, you can call the school at 410-535-7877. And when you do that, you can just leave a message and I'll give you a call back. My planning time is every day from 11:16 to 12:09. So if you do have a question, that's the time that I'm not in class that I can answer your calls. If you ever have any questions at all, or if there's any way I can be of help, please don't hesitate to let me know. We have a wonderful group of sixth graders this year, and it is my honor and privilege that I get to teach them. So if I can be of any help, don't hesitate to reach out. And again, my name is Angela Cox, and I hope that I get to meet you soon.